Creating a membership site. Creating a membership site, does it sound too complex for you? I have too many people saying they can't do this, and this is just an excuse. I never had a computer back in 2008. I didn't even have an email address. But you know what? It never stopped me learning. In order to set up a membership site, you need to get a domain name first. So think real hard at what you want your site to be called. Take mine for instance, entrepreneurship.org.uk. This will take you to my blog, but I have a membership site running on this site as well. You will also need a hosting package for the site, and I would also get a business package too. Once you have this in place, install WordPress to the hosting. Most hosting offers Fantastico installation, which is a one-click result then. The best and easiest domain and hosting provider I would recommend is GoDaddy. They are reliable and very helpful with their customer service. Also make sure that you get an SSL for your membership site, as you'll be taking payment on it. SSL gives your client confidence that the site is safe. Once you have uploaded WordPress to your hosting, then you need to get this software called Optimizepress. Optimizepress is an intelligent piece of software that allows you to make stunning websites and membership sites too, integrating everything into it, making it all work together as one. When buying Optimizepress, you would need to purchase the middle package, which is called the Publisher, and it's only a one-time payment. This gives you lifetime access to the plugin, loads of templates, plus with this software it comes with training videos on how to use it, and also there's loads on YouTube too about it. Click the link below for more information and to purchase it. This software is one of the best that I've ever used. It's drag and drop and it's so easy to use. I would strongly recommend this one if you want to create membership sites quick and easy. Creating products of your own. When I first started out, I always wondered how to make products, and I thought it would cost me a fortune. But to be honest, you can create products very easily at virtually no cost whatsoever. First of all, you need a Word document software like Microsoft Office. Click the image below for a discounted version. I found you. If you want to try a free version, you can always use LibreOffice, which is owned by Google, but it's not always compatible. But you could try it anyway. Click the link below to take a look and try it for yourself. It will take you straight to the download page. The other one you can try is OpenOffice, which is another free piece of software. This is like Microsoft Office. Click the link below, which I provided you with, and it should take you straight to the download page. Then you need a software to record your PC screen, which you can get for free. This is called OBS. If you click the link below, then it should take you straight to the download page. Then all you have to do is pick for Windows or Mac. As I said from the beginning, I would take all the hard work out just for you, finding suitable software and giving you the very best advice in order you should start off with when starting out an online business. You should also make an audio to allow people to listen to you in the car, iPod, MP3, etc. There is a free piece of software that you can use called Audacity. It's free and easy to use. Click the link below to take you to the download page. Now I've given you everything you need to make your own products with, from PDFs to video and even audio. So you have covered 75% of the digital world. All you need to do next is make software. But that's what the PLR site is for, to bulk and add extra value to your package. I sort of cheat when it comes to creating audio, as I cannot be bothered to do it all over again. That's why I have a converter which converts all MP4 files into MP3 files. So I film, then I convert it into audio. I know, it's cheating. But when you purchase a good bit of software, like, it saves you time and effort. Creating digital products you can create once and sell to many. This is why I love what I do with my online business. Sell high ticket workshops. Once you've established your business, your customers would probably want to meet you in person. So by doing a workshop, selling at a high ticket price, doing a 3-day workshop, you could sell for $2,997 or even $4,997 each. If you have been affiliating other people's products as well, then you could probably invite them to come and speak at your workshop while hiring a camera crew for a 3-day event, and make high ticket products out of it, as people will also buy the behind the closed doors event even if they missed it. Workshops are normally held in hotel venues, so you could do your research and find out if you hire a room in a hotel, then provide your clients with cheap accommodation, as you have managed to strike a deal with them, they would probably feel like you're helping them out. Or you can sell other people's workshops that customers might benefit from, making a commission on each sale. Sell seminars. Selling a seminar could help your business in a big way. If you are holding one yourself, you need to get at least 10 guest speakers and do the same as you would do with a workshop, making sure you film everything. Or you could affiliate someone else's and make a commission with it.